Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a double chocolatey chip frappuccino. Double chocolatey chip frappuccinos typically could cost you anywhere from $4 to $5 at your local Starbucks or local coffee shop, but you can make them at home for a fraction of the price. Now, a double chocolatey chip frappuccino is coffee free. So we're going to remove the coffee from our frappuccino, and basically what we're going to do is you're going to use milk, cocoa powder, chocolate chips, and some maple syrup in order to make our beverage today. Now the thing is, double chocolatey chip, all that means is that the beverage itself is chocolate based, and then you're going to add in chocolate chips, and you're going to blend that up in your blender to get a double chocolatey chip frappuccino. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to take a cup of milk, you're going to measure that out, and you're going to add that into your blender. After you have the cup of milk measured out and put in there, then you're going to take 1 cup of maple syrup and add that to the blender as well. Once you have those wet ingredients in there, you're then going to take a half a cup of cocoa powder and add that to your blender. Then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips, put that in the blender. You're then going to take 16 ounces of ice, which you could just take your cup that you're using to serve it in, fill it to the top with ice, and then pour that into your blender. Once you have all of your ingredients in there, you're then going to blend the beverage on high for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, if your blender has a preset setting for smoothies, you can go ahead and use that as well. Once it's done blending, you're then going to want to check it to make sure all of the ice cubes have blended up nicely into the beverage. Sometimes, depending on the quality of the blender, you may end up with these big, large chunks or balls of ice in the bottom. So once you've checked that, if you have that in there, you're just going to want to go ahead and blend that again for about a minute. If it looks good, you could pour it into your serving glass, and you could top it off with some whipped cream and maybe throw a few chocolate chips on top as well. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a double chocolatey chip frappuccino.